Hey guys, Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. We get questions all the time from customers wanting to know how much abrasive goes in their machine and how do they know how much abrasive they have in their machine. So I wanted to kind of go over with you, with every machine you get this 100 milliliter beaker. We're going to turn the air pressure all the way down. We're going to fill this beaker with slurry. Then it's going to allow the abrasive to settle. It should settle out to 20 milliliters, which is 20% of the abrasive to water ratio that we need in this machine. All the machines are going to be different based on their size as to how much abrasive they take. This particular machine is the 800, so it's going to take 25 pounds of abrasive. Also, I wanted to mention that the reason we turn the air pressure all the way down is because then you're testing just the pump. You're pulling just, the pump is pulling the slurry up, and that's what's going into the cup, and that also tests the pump to make sure it's still functioning correctly. So if you have any questions, we'd love to help you out. Give us a call today at 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.